Another free AI video generator you can use is this one, Dollar AI. Is a free video generator, image generator. You can even use it to, in fact, let's just check it. Dollar AI. DOLA AI. You can even download it as an app. Now, this is just like a second ChatGPT. You can also chat with this AI too. You can chat with it. Now, let's go ahead and log in, and then log in into the app fully. So you are going to, because it is my first time, you are going to be confirming all many things. Now you are now here. It's just like ChatGPT. It's just like chat. It's just like Gemini. Just like chat. Just like Copilot. Every other thing, you can type something here and it's going to give you. I want to create a story about a village. So I want to say African village where there are olden days more local huts, drums. Now I want a visual image of a village square where celebration and dance are taking place, or even festivals. So I need um need and even festival. I think that's all. Drums should be drums. Okay. Now you can tell it to do it like this, and then give it the prompt that you want. It's going to generate image straight up. It should be generating the image like this. Yes, it's giving you 4 different types so that you are going to be able to choose the one that you want. And the best part is yet to come. You can even animate it inside this app. With ChatGPT, you cannot animate, you can only generate image. You can animate inside this app. Now look at this. This is very good. Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Do you see? You can zoom in. Let me zoom in so you will see. Okay, it's not zooming in. So I'm just going to pick the one that I like. Keep it in. I think I like this. So you're just going to download it and then X out of here and see if you are still going to pick more. You can download it. Oh, download it. When you are done downloading, then you can come here, allow, cancel. So now you can now come to, okay, it's telling you to, I want to rename the file, but I don't want to, no need. So now once you have done that, you can click on this more here. This small here is going to take you directly to how you are going to, this is writing, this is generating image, this is translate, this is homework. If you have anything you want to do, this app is going to bring it out. Do you get? This app is going to bring it out. Now I want to generate video. So now I'm going to generate video and I'm going to put in the reference image here. So since I've downloaded this, put in the reference image here. Which one did I download? This first one, I think. Yes, then I will download this. Okay. If it's there, then why is it not showing now? Another reference image. Okay. So now I'm going to be describing how this video is going to be. This is how we are going to describe it. If you are using the app, you are going to see a whole lot of things here, but I decided to use the browser. I don't want to download more apps. I want I want the people there to dance while others beat the drum to an African um festival music, basically just dancing and shouting happily. Okay, so now you can now send it. It's supposed to give me a place where it should change aspect ratio, but I don't know why. But let's send it though. So we are going to send this now, but make sure that you download the app to be able to see if you are going to see any other interface from here. Now this video is generated using Dreamna Sedans 2.0 model. It will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I'll send it to you when it's done. You will have, but if you are using the app, you're going to see video can be generated from image of real people. Use another image or create a video from text. This is not a real person now. So I don't know why, but it's not. Now it's not even bringing the option to. Okay, so what are we going to do? It's not bringing the option to. Now let me download the app. I'm sure that the app should have so many other um things that you can be able to explore with the app. So app has been downloaded, and now let's open it. Now we're going to just go ahead and then open this. So you can either sign in through Facebook, through Google, or through your phone number of my email and then sign up. So once you sign up, I think we are going to unlock some features
There,
using
I'm Dola,
this.
your helpful assistant. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, or anything that's on your mind. How can I help you today?
Now you can see that the Dollar AI app, it has a voice assistant, so you can just click on auto speech off. Now once you click on auto speech off, then you can click on this AI creation. Then now you see that the app interface is more better. The aspect ratio, I want it to be 9:16, and I wanted the style. You can choose your style here, but I don't want to put style. Now let's go to reference. Allow. Okay, since the reference what we brought out was in 16:9, so let's use it for 16:9. I'll paste this image in 16:9. That is what it brought out for me. Okay, upscale. Okay, it's just I think it just made the image more better. So now we're going to download that and then go back to AI creation. Then okay, now you have to switch to video. You can see the models here. Is Sedans 2.0 fast, Sedans 1.0. Sedans 2.0 fast, Sedan. I don't know if I'll put it here, it's going to ask me to pay. So let's leave it in 16:9. Reference image, this one. Then you are going to type what you want. So now duration 10 seconds. You are going to keep it at 5. So now we can now do what we want to do. I want the people to be dancing at the draw as the drummers beat the drum to an African melody. Okay. Let them also be dancing and shouting. I don't want to say shouting. Okay, dancing and Let there be side talks. No, 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 no. Let's see what it even bring out. Side talks. If it does not bring that, oh yeah, now let's go. Let's put it like that. So now let's create a visual of a vibrant Africa. If it's that you turn on this thing now, it's going to be talking. It's going to the dollar AI app is going to be talking. So since you have turned it off, it will not talk. So you have to wait. You have 3 points left today. They say I have 3 points left today. So let's see what it's going to generate now. Let's see how this is going to come out. Now the video is ready and you are going to see that it's playing. Do you see how it's playing now? Now you can use this for your African folktale, your any of your you can animate this. Is very good. Just turn on. It's not audible. I don't know why. So you can save this and then now this is where you're going to come in and ask why is the video without an audio. So now it's going to tell you why the video does not have an audio. Currently they do not support audio. We'll optimize this feature in the future. Dollar AI video do not support audio. You can use this. You can use this app. That's why my video is not for just dialogue scene alone. Dialogue. No. You can use this app to animate your videos and then use your narrative voice. That is your voice. Either use Fish AI, either use the other one that I said in my other video. Use it to generate your voice and then use it to put it there and you can even animate music. You can use Sonar AI for music and add it to this and then it's going to animate your video. Very easy. So if you are looking for where to generate cinematic African folktale videos, very cinematic, very African. Do you see now this AI app? This website can give you exactly what you need. You don't need to generate, you don't need to start wasting money on bigger platform. This is going to give you exactly what you need and you are going to monetize this. It's very easy. Now if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. As you are watching, if you watch this video to this extent, like this video, put it in the comment section what you want me to teach you again. If you want me to teach you about narrative voice, how to generate narrative voice for free, I can do that for you in another video. But I want to hear your thoughts. Do you want me to do that video for you? Yes or no? If it's something you want, put it in the comments and I will know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in my next video.